Hey, good morning. Good morning, YouTube. This is Jonathan with Hot Shotting in America, and today I'm headed to Stuttgart, Arkansas to pick up a load of air conditioners at Lennox Industries. The load is going to Springville, New York. Here this load is. It's going to upstate New York. It's 5 units, but I had to leave the plant with them unstacked, but we'll see here in a couple hours. Right, that's a load of AC units. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jonathan with Hot Shotting in America. It is 1:30 in the morning. I just picked up the load of air conditioners that I just showed you. I picked the load of air conditioners up at 3:30 this afternoon in Arkansas. I'm in Indiana, south of Indianapolis. I'm gonna since that broker screwed me out of that load, which I had to pay a bunch of payments all at once. My funds are low, so I'm gonna have to finagle my logs around and run an all-nighter in order to get some money in my bank before Friday, because if I get it dropped off on Thursday, I'll have money in the bank Friday. If I get it dropped off on Friday, it won't be in there till Monday, and I need it to be in there. So anyway, I'm in Indiana, and I'm about to take a shower, refuel up. Just going to give a brief update, I guess you would say, on what's going on, and the next stop, hopefully, if it will be tomorrow in upstate New York, before close of business. Now, if I can get my factoring company to do a advance on, which they do that, I just never done it before, so if I can get them to do an advance on it, then we won't have a problem whatsoever, so I can relax and get some rest and so on and so forth. I just never done the advance before, so I don't know about it. But so anyway, thank you guys for watching, and this is just a quick update. I'll be in touch with you all tomorrow with another update. Maybe I'll get the advance. I know that I can do it. I just don't know how to do it. I just don't know the process of doing it. So maybe they will, help me with that, hopefully. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, please like, and then go in the comment sections and let me know what you think. Give me some ideas, suggestions, some things I need to fix. Or I know one thing, they need to fix these gas prices, these diesel prices. It's getting out of control. For real. $3.50 here in Indiana. So look, God bless you all. I love you. Stay tuned until the update will be daylight, hopefully, unless something bad happens on the road, and I'll update you on that too. But I'm about to shower, get something to eat, and hit the road again. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Hey YouTube, Hot Shotting in America. It's Jonathan here. Today is Friday morning, and it's really early in Buffalo, New York. Unloaded earlier this morning in Springville. I'm at Jim's truck stop here at exit 52 off of the New York Thruway, I-90. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I'm about to get something to eat and get a shower. I gotta go pick a load up here in Buffalo, and it's a Saturday drop-off in Iowa, so it's gonna be another long one. I gotta figure out these logs and get them right before I get them back on the road, because they're all jacked up. So that's the update with this load. I will start a new video with the new load. So thank you all for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. God bless you all, and I love you. Hey, what's happening, YouTube? It's Jonathan with Hot Shotting in America. It's Friday night, about 10:30. I am about to be in Indiana. I got that load picked up. I got some rest, got something to eat this morning, and got it loaded. It's well, here's the load. And so I got it loaded. That load, it's a load of rebar, and it's just a little U-shaped rebar, and I had to tarp it because the way they had it packaged in little flimsy boxes, or it would have been all over the highway. So it is what it is. I had to tarp it, and I apologize I wasn't able to show you. It was hot, and it was anyway, I was tired. I haven't had much sleep. Yesterday was I got a lot of the mileage knocked out the first night. When I first started out with a load to Buffalo, or a load to Springville, the prior video, look, I made it to I made it to Terre Haute, Indiana that night. I got up, well, that morning early, and so I got, 4 or 5 hours of sleep. But when I got to Indianapolis, it was a 3-hour delay. It was 30-minute delays everywhere. When I got on the other side of Indianapolis, it was another 45-minute delay. And then when I got to Dayton, it was another one. And then it never stopped. The load had to be there, so I had to run last night until I got there. And so I had to shut the logs off at about, I don't know, somewhere in Pennsylvania. I had to shut them down, and I finally got at the Walmart that the air conditioning units were going to, and probably it was about 2:30. About 2:30, I unstrapped the load. I rolled my straps up. I fixed my truck windows so I could go get some rest. And wouldn't you know it, you can't go to sleep after, it's almost daylight outside. So about the time I went to sleep, they knocked on my window and said, "Hey, can you pull up a little bit? We got a couple more to get off of you." So anyhow, they got me unloaded. I went, and that's, whenever I made the first video this morning that, was right prior to this. So anyways, I picked this load up in Buffalo. It's going to Grimes, Iowa, and it's a load of rebar. Like I said, I had to tarp it because the way it's packaged poorly, and so I took the load. It was $1.80 something a mile, but I can deliver it on Saturday, and you know what I mean? I can have it delivered Saturday and be hunting for something first thing Monday morning. And I got a customer load. You remember the fuel trailers down in Oklahoma that Mr. Pribble gets back at my hometown. So, excuse me, my light here went out. So he ordered another fuel trailer, some more fuel trailers. So that's what I'm trying to work my way down to Oklahoma by Tuesday. So I will be in Indiana, if not Illinois, tonight, and so that's that. And I was just going to finish an update with this load. What all this week, it's been I hadn't had much sleep, man. I can probably tell. I was hoping and praying I didn't get inspected, because he could look at me and say, driver fatigue, you're out of service for 10 hours. That's happened to me before. But But anyway, guys, look, be safe out there. Don't do what I do. Be safe. Drive right. Do your hours right. Don't put yourself in situations I put myself in where I had to do that. So really, I couldn't help the traffic. You know, I guess maybe. I don't know. Wasn't nothing I could do. Not that I think. I mean, maybe had a better attitude. Maybe that would have changed it. But anyway, my light's about to go out. I love you all. Please subscribe, like, and help me grow this channel, and comment, please. Bye. I'll see you in Des Moines, Iowa, Monday morning.